Ever felt like your money was living in separate worlds? Like your everyday spending account was on one planet and your high-interest savings was light years away on another? You're trying to build your savings, maximize those interest rates, but moving money feels like launching a rocket, complicated and time-consuming. Especially when you're dealing with digital banks like EQ Bank, which thrive on simplicity and efficiency. You've probably heard the buzz. EQ Bank, with its competitive interest rates and streamlined online experience, is a game changer for many Canadians. But if you're like a lot of people, you're wondering, how do I actually get my money into that world? How do I bridge the gap between my traditional bank account and this shiny new digital one? The answer, of course, lies in linking your bank accounts. It's the digital handshake that allows your money to flow freely, the foundation upon which your financial strategy is built. And while it might sound intimidating, linking your bank account to EQ Bank is surprisingly straightforward. Think of it like setting up a digital bridge. You need to provide EQ Bank with the blueprints of your existing account, so they know where to send and receive funds. Today, we're going to build that bridge together, step by step. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why this is so important. Why bother linking accounts in the first place? First and foremost, it's about convenience. Imagine having to physically visit a branch every time you wanted to move money, or dealing with lengthy transfer times and hefty fees. Linking your accounts eliminates those headaches, allowing you to move funds instantly, or at least within a business day or two, from the comfort of your couch. Secondly, it's about maximizing your savings. EQ Bank's high interest rates are a major draw, but they only work if you actually have money in your account. By linking your accounts, you can easily transfer funds whenever you have a surplus, ensuring your money is always working for you. Thirdly, it's about consolidating your finances. In today's digital age, it's easy to have accounts scattered across multiple institutions. Linking your accounts allows you to bring them all under one roof, or at least under one digital roof, giving you a clearer picture of your overall financial health. Now, let's get to the practical part. How do you actually link your bank account to EQ Bank? The process is primarily done through the EQ Bank website or mobile app. It's designed to be user-friendly, but it's important to follow the steps carefully to avoid any errors. Step 1. Log into your EQ Bank account. Open your web browser or launch the EQ Bank app on your mobile device. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the Linked Accounts section. Once you're logged in, look for the Linked Accounts or External Accounts section. This is usually found in your profile settings or within the main menu. The exact location may vary slightly depending on whether you're using the website or the app, but it should be clearly labeled. Step 3. Initiate the linking process. Click on the option to add an account or link an account. This will start the process of connecting your external bank account to EQ Bank. Step 4. Choose your bank. You'll be presented with a list of banks. Select the institution where your existing account is held. EQ Bank supports linking with most major Canadian banks. Step 5. Enter your banking credentials. This is where you'll need to provide your banking information. This typically includes your online banking login credentials, such as your customer number or username and password. Important note, EQ Bank uses secure, third-party services to verify your banking information. This is a standard practice in the industry and ensures the security of your data. However, it's crucial to ensure you're on a legitimate EQ Bank website or app before entering any sensitive information. Step 6. Select the account you want to link. If you have multiple accounts with your chosen bank, you'll be asked to select the specific account you want to link to EQ Bank. Step 7. Verify your account. EQ Bank will need to verify that you are the rightful owner of the account you're linking. This is usually done through one of two methods. Instant verification. This is the most common and fastest method. EQ Bank will use a secure, third-party service to verify your account information instantly. Microdeposits. If instant verification isn't available, EQ Bank will send 2 small deposits, typically a few cents each, to your external bank account. You'll then need to log into your external bank account, note the amounts of these deposits, and enter them into EQ Bank to verify your account. This method usually takes a few business days. Step 8. Confirm the linking. Once your account is verified, you'll receive a confirmation message. Your bank account is now linked to EQ Bank. Benefits of linking accounts. Seamless transfers easily move money between your EQ Bank account and your external bank account. Automated transfers set up recurring transfers to automate your savings. Faster deposits deposit funds into your EQ Bank account quickly and easily. Improved financial management gain a clearer picture of your overall financial health. Linking your bank account to EQ Bank is a simple yet powerful step towards better financial management. It unlocks the full potential of your EQ Bank account, allowing you to take advantage of its high interest rates and convenient online features. Remember, the goal is to make your money work harder for you. And by linking your accounts, you're creating a seamless flow of funds, ensuring your savings are always within reach. By understanding these steps and following them carefully, you can confidently link your bank account to EQ Bank and take control of your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.